Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll explain to you how to switch Gmail accounts in GoogleDrive.com. You just have to follow these few simple steps. Now let's dive in and follow them together. The first step is to log out or switch accounts. Now open Google Drive and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. If you're logged in to multiple accounts, select the account you want from the drop-down menu. If the account isn't listed, click on Add another account and log in with your credentials, just like this. Go right here and select which email you want to choose for this right now. I'm gonna choose this one, the one that I already use. The second step is to access the new account. Once logged in, you'll see the Google Drive files associated with the new account. Repeat these steps if you need to switch back. Now let's see. Now you can move a file, you can add them to the Google Drive right here by just dragging a file from here, from your PC or your computer, and you can add them and it will be displayed here in my drive. You can organize them, you can add new folders, you can upload from here, you can create a Google Docs, etc. You can create all these accounts from your Google Drive. You can store, you can also get more storage in Google Drive, and you can even get the desktop app of Google Drive in your PC to make it easy to access your Google Drive account without going to your browser and etc. And it will sync with your PC. And that's it. That's how you switch Gmail accounts in Google Drive. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.